In this video, you will learn how to work with layers.
Today we will discuss layer in After Effects. First, let's make a quick recap about we was talking about in the last time or last episode. First, we need to make composition. How we can make a composition? We have three ways. We can click here in new composition, or we can right click here and select a new composition, or we can click in this icon here, create a new composition. Let's make it in traditional way. We click here twice, and we can select our photo or our video we can use in our composition or our scene. I will select two video and one photo and import it and drag it in our timeline here. It's ask me about the setting of my composition because I forget to make a composition. Can click cancel here. I say let's make it in traditional way and forget. What this? Let's click right click here and choose new composition. Here we have a composition name. Let's make it test one. And here have preset. We were talking about that in the last time or previous episode. Let's make it HD. With this we can make it on high. Let's keep it in this image or this setting. We can setting our frame rate 24 like movies. We have resolution of what, not of more to our video. This resolution will appear in screen here to see your work or your progress you make. The resolution of our video in the final project or final scene, it will be that. We have here duration and finally we have the background and click OK. We can put here our elements or our photo, our video. Now I can notice that the screen are bigger. We can small it by press Ctrl minus or Ctrl plus to zoom. But let's make it in this. First, my first layer here not suitable for our composition. It's very small to our composition. We can make right click, choose transform, choose fit to comp. And now let's talk about the layer and how the layer work in After Effects. Imagine that you are looking at an Oreo biscuit from an overhead view. If you remove the biscuit layer, what will you see? The cream layer below it, correct? And if you remove the cream layer, you will see the other biscuit layer below it. This is exactly what is happening here. If I deleted this video here or disable from this eye, click over this eye, I will see the layer below it, this layer of photo, correct? And if I disable that or remove this layer, I will see the layer below it for the layer of video of pyramids. Let's make it suitable for our composition. Transform, fit to comp. This how the layer system or layer based system in After Effects work. It's give a priority for the layer above. This is how it work. Now let's talk about how I can control of duration of our video or our layer or our or for individual layer. In this layer, for example, I have 30-second show in our monitor here. If I need this layer show only from 4 seconds to 10 seconds, for example, I can come here. This double arrow will appear or will show, and I can't I don't know the name of this symbol, but I can drag this for left. Show the layer above appear because I hidden this part of this layer, and I need it show from 4 seconds, and from here I can drag for the left, and I need that for 8 seconds. If I play our video, this line here, I show my video because I told sorry, After Effects, I need this layer show from here to here because it this first layer, this will show. Now we will notice we have layer, we have gray part, and we have the lightning part. The lightning part mean this will show, this will appear in our monitor here. But the gray part meaning this is not showing, this not appear in our monitor. I need I need this layer back, the whole layer showing again. We can drag from here and make it bigger again, and drag from here and make it better again. Is there another way? Yes, there another way. I can come here, for example, in 10 seconds, and I need this part not showing. Cut this part. How I can make it? Alt, press Alt, and left bracket. You notice, notice that this part become gray. What's gray meaning? Meaning it's not visible, not shown in our monitor. Deleted. Its meaning is deleted. But our lightning part showing this meaning is will show in our monitor, is will be visible. Like we say here, it's not visible. According to the layer system, the layer below it will appear, and we can show the layer below it. And if I come here, I will see our layer again. If I come here and I need this part also invisible, deleted, I can press Alt and right, and it become gray. Although only this part lightning here will appear in our monitor.